one hand axe. As you can see, it didn't take much to make, but you do have to have a working of flint knapping, especially with hard hammer percussion. Knap with just a variety of stone cobbles. Big flakes, small flakes, doesn't really matter. You can thin out a piece of stone to get that hand axe. Now, ironically enough, this tool right here has been used for millions of years, and it is the longest running tool that we've ever used. What this tool was used for was everything. It was ultimately that everyday tool. It was a tool that could be used for digging in the ground to pull up roots and tubers, cutting away animal flesh, smashing bones with the butt end, cutting plant fibers. This was really that first multi-tool. Just requires a chunk of chert, a chunk of flint, something that's somewhat substantial that's not going to break in your hand if you're using it. Now at archaeological sites, they do find them of various kind of sizes, if you will, but most of them are consistent with a tip and a bulbous end that acts like a handle. Theoretically, I guess you could throw it, but just like anything, if this rock hits a harder rock with any sort of great force, it's likely to break. Keep it for digging, keep it for cutting, keep it for slicing and smashing, and I don't think you'll have any issues. We have used stone tools literally forever. We've never stopped using them. Why? Because I'm using them, and there's other knappers and other primitive skills folks out there that are using them today. This one will hopefully find a good home because I'll put it up on my website. But when we think of hand axes, think of this. It's a tool for cutting and smashing and digging and scraping and scoring. You could pretty much do everything and anything with this. This right here is the proof that tools will get you farther in life than a trophy. All right, that is one hand axe. Appreciate you watching.